Hey you guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a very short one. I have been so busy here lately, but we're going to cook dinner today. We're going to make some steak bites and some potatoes. It's going to be absolutely delicious. We're going to start out with these steak bites. This is something that I make quite often. We absolutely love it, especially my daughter. She loves steak. Anything to do with steak, she's going to eat it. But we're going to go ahead and get started with that. So to my bowl here, I've just got some cubed steak. You can use any kind of cuts or thickness of a steak that you like or want to use. It will work just fine. I'm going to add that to my bowl here. It's about 2.5-inch cut. So I'm going to add that, some olive oil, some Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of baking powder, not baking powder, but baking soda. It tenderizes the meat so well, and I'm just going to mix that up really, really well to make sure it's all nice and coated evenly. And now we're just going to cover this with some plastic wrap, and we're going to let this sit to the side for about 10 to 15 minutes while we dice up some potatoes, because what is a steak bite or a steak without some sort of potato? I'm going to be kind of baking some potato bites today, and I'm just going to chop these up into like small dices, and then we're going to season these up with a little bit of olive oil, some Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse, and some ranch powder. I love ranch potatoes. They are just so delicious. I'm going to mix those up really well, and we're going to bake these at 400 for about 40 to 45 minutes. After about 20 minutes of the potatoes cooking, you're going to want to come in and flip those potatoes over so they cook nice and evenly on both sides, and they just get that really good crisp outer crust and that delicious soft center. It's just so good. So make sure that you flip those over and then let them finish cooking the extra 20 to 25 minutes. And now we're going to cook our steak. We're just going to add a little bit of oil to our skillet here, pop those in there, let them cook and get nice and golden on one side. We're going to flip them over, let them cook on the other side. This is going to take, depending on how well you like your steak cooked, is going to depend on how long you cook them. Once you get them to your desired doneness, we like ours medium rare, but you can cook them longer if you want yours a little bit more done. But yeah, once you get them to your desired doneness, just take them out, put them in a serving bowl or a serving platter, and serve them up. I put mine in a serving bowl because we were fixing to eat, and it was easier just to grab it out of the cabinet. It was closer. But this is my plate, and we absolutely loved it. I just served that steak with the potatoes and some steamed green beans, and this was so good. Now, in my opinion, a good steak does not require any sauce, so if you season it well and you put that baking soda in there, it's going to be absolutely delicious. But this was so good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.